Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with SunTrust Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with SunTrust Bank, first, visit the SunTrust website or open the mobile app. Log into your SunTrust account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting Tools section on the dashboard. Here, you'll find options for creating, tracking, and managing your budget. Select Create a new budget to get started. You'll be prompted to input your monthly income. Make sure to include all sources of income for an accurate budget. Next, categorize your expenses. Common categories include housing, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Input expected amounts for each category based on your spending history. SunTrust may offer pre-populated suggestions based on your past transactions. Review each category carefully to ensure accuracy. After inputting your expenses, check the summary section to see your total budget. At this point, you can adjust amounts in any category to balance your budget. Once you're satisfied, save your budget for future reference. Regularly update your budget as your income or expenses change. Utilize the expense tracking feature to monitor your spending in real time. This helps you stay within your allocated budget for each category. Set up alerts to notify you when you are nearing your spending limits. Additionally, consider reviewing your budget monthly to make necessary adjustments. This continuous process will help you stay on track with your financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your finances with SunTrust Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.